This is the brand new fuse machine in Steal a Brainrot, and we're going to put only secrets in them. Up next, we got a Lavaca. This one's gonna hurt me a little bit, but the Las Tralalitas. And finally, a 2.8 million per second Lavaca. Let's see what happens. Okay, they're all in the machine. It's a 54% chance that it's a secret. And 110 million. This better not be for nothing. Here we go. Please, do me a favor and subscribe for good luck right now. I really need it. Come on. Do not let this be a fail. Oh, is that a secret? No! Please subscribe.